This adorable big-eared guy is Montgomery. Takes the streets very nicely. About a year old. A beautiful gray-brown brindle. Yes. I never soft eyes. Look at that pretty soft eyes. Yes. Aww. Look at that face. Look at that cutie face. Yes. Good boy. You're just so calm. For one so young. Yeah. Good boy, Montgomery. Good boy. Yeah. Sweetheart. Does not deserve to be in this shelter, not at all. Somebody's missing this poor boy and they didn't step up. That's right, they didn't step up. So come see him. He is an absolute sweetheart. Yes. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.